Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to turn off OneDrive on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go over to this hidden icons over here. So click on show hidden icons. And after that, just simply go ahead and right click on your OneDrive. And now from here, just simply go for the gear icon on the top right over here, guys. And after that, just simply go for the settings over here. And now from here, just simply go for unlink this PC. And after that, just simply click on unlink account in order for you to turn off the OneDrive. And another option that you have is just simply go to the start menu and search for apps and features. And from here on the apps and features, just use the search bar over here and search for OneDrive and just simply click on it and just simply click on uninstall and click on uninstall again in order for you to completely turn it off or to remove it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.